Working from top to bottom, you have the rear parcel shelf, handy hooks on the right and left, top tethers for a child's car seat, and the 2-position boot floor. Under the boot floor, you have either a tyre repair kit, which includes very straightforward instructions for usage, or a spare wheel. This can be accessed and removed like so. There will, of course, be occasions when we require a little more space in the back of the vehicle. Fortunately, this is not a problem thanks to the split folding rear seats. Simply place the headrests to the low position and, if you need to, move the seats forward. Make sure the seats are fully back and make sure there are no obstructions that would restrict the seats folding. Depending on the version you have, you will either have a handle at the top of the seats or a pull strap located where the backrest and seat cushion meet. Either operate the handle or the strap to unlock the bracket. Then you can fold the seat down. To return the seats to an upright position, just raise the backrest and ensure that it has locked. It's important to make sure you've not trapped the seatbelt behind the seats.
Citroën.